Hello friends, once again welcome to Legal Pathagar. In some of my earlier videos, I had already discussed elaborately about Calcutta University syllabus and the Calcutta University entrance exams marks pattern or marks distribution, in which GK or current affairs plays a very important role because out of that 100 marks exam, approximately 15 to 18 marks will be coming from GK and current affairs. So GK and current affairs plays a very crucial role in deciding whether you will be getting a government college or whether you will be getting a private law college. So what I have seen over the past 3 to 4 years of my teaching career is that most of the times students who secure a place in government college have very strong hold of GK and current affairs. They have complete knowledge as to what is happening with one country to another. For example, India-China relationship. For example, India-US relationship. Right? তো আমি তোমাদেরকে এটাই বলবো, first of all, a proper guidance is very important. Self-preparation is fine, but when it comes to getting a chance in a government college, self-preparation may not always be sufficient. So along with that self-preparation, it's advisable to take a proper guidance. You can take a guidance from a particular institution, from a particular sir or ma'am if you feel that person is competent enough to guide you. So first of all, a proper guidance is very important. Only then you will be able to not only crack the entrance exams but also secure a place in a government college, which is never easy. Having said that, I will be discussing 2 important newspapers which you must follow every day so that you can enhance your knowledge and you can enhance your GK, general knowledge, on an everyday basis. So the first paper which you must follow is visible on your screen, and that is Times of India. Keno Times of India follow korbe? It basically gives you crisp knowledge about all the topics in a very concise manner, in a very little manner. You will be able to follow everything over there. সব কিছু পেয়ে যাবে. Next, second paper যেটা তোমরা follow করবে for your preparations for Calcutta University law entrance exams is The Hindu. এখানে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল টপিকসগুলো খুব সুন্দরভাবে কভার করা হয়. ইন্ডিয়া চায়না রিলেশনস, ইউএসএ রাশিয়া রিলেশনস, খুব সুন্দরভাবে ইউ উইল বি ফাইন্ডিং দ্য ইন্টারন্যাশনাল টপিকস ইন দ্য হিন্দু পেপারে. অ্যান্ড নেক্সট, লাস্টলি, আমি একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট ম্যাগাজিন আজকে ডিসকাস করব, যেই ম্যাগাজিনটা আমি রেগুলারলি ফলো করি সো দ্যাট আই ক্যান কিপ মাই সেলফ আপডেটেড এভরি ডে. অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ম্যাগাজিন ইজ ভিজিবল অন ইয়োর স্ক্রিন রাইট নাও. That is Down to Earth magazine. This magazine approximately costs 120 to 150 rupees, and this is available on various online platforms like Amazon as well as Flipkart. তো এই দুটো নিউজপেপার অ্যান্ড এই ম্যাগাজিনটা you must follow for the next 6 to 8 months so that you can increase your chances of getting a government college under Calcutta University. That will be all for today. Thank you. Namaskar.